Hello everyone, how are you all? So today's topic is who will you marry or who is your future spouse? So the topics I'm selecting by posting a poll in the community section. So if you also want to ask for specific topic, you can comment in the comment section or you can vote for the poll. Okay, whichever topic you want, you can vote in the poll in the community section. Okay, so as usual, we have three piles here. Pile number one, we have this white seashell. Pile 2 purple seashell, pile 3 this yellow seashell. Okay, so you can choose the pile according to your intuition. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. Then please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody, so please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so today we will start the reading with the angel guidance card. Then after that we will pull different cards so that we can know whether it is love marriage or arranged marriage, or what are the characteristics of your person. Then how will be your married life. So whatever messages I get from the spreads and whatever messages I get from the spirits, definitely I will deliver here. So you can take it whatever resonates with you if you already know the person. Okay, so if you don't know anybody, you don't have anybody in your life, then definitely you can watch the reading thinking that he will be or she will be your future spouse. Okay, so let us start the reading without wasting much time. But before that, I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me. But I am noticing that views are very less. I don't know the reason. Even I am posting the poll also so that you can select the topic, but still I don't know, maybe many of you have not pressed the bell symbol. So bell symbol is instantly it will notify you whenever my reading is posted. Okay, so definitely you please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will get instant notification. Then you have to press the bell symbol. Okay, so that's all I have to say. Then let us start the reading with pile number 1. So pile number 1 is this white seashell. So whoever chose this white seashell, let us see who will be your future spouse. Let us get one angel card, angel guidance card. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will be their future spouse? Who will be their future spouse? Who will be their future spouse, or who will they marry? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, I'll choose one. Okay. So we got here the turquoise. What do you wish to express? How do you wish to express yourself? Is there something you need to say to someone? Expression comes in many forms. Meditate on what you would like to say and then say it. Explore Native American spiritual teachings. Okay, so what I can feel from this card is some whoever chose this pile, some of you are not able to express your feelings to your lover or crush, whoever it is. So universe is saying that you have to do so. You have to express your feelings. If you want to say to someone, you have to express. So let us see the affirmations. If you want, you can take a screenshot also of this these affirmations. Angel of expression. I open my consciousness to various forms of expression. I express myself with ease and grace. My creativity is activated. I am a channel of divine inspiration. I receive insights and wisdom from various cultures and philosophies. Okay, so this is the guidance card. I'll keep it here. Let us pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? One card already flew away. Let me pull some more cards. Okay, the first card is the Magician. Queen of Pentacles. King of Wands. Ten of Wands. Bottom of the deck we have Page of Wands. Let me arrange the cards. Okay. Let me pull some more cards for you. Who will you marry or who is their future spouse? Who will you marry or who is their future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, Apprentice, and we have here Fortune Wheel. Hope you can see the cards. Okay, yeah, let us start the reading. So what I can see here, the signs I can see here are like your person might be Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Earth signs are very prominent here, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Then some of you will have the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also is very prominent. Okay, apart from that, I can see some fixed signs like Taurus, Scorpio, Leo and Aquarius. Okay, if you know this person already, you can take however it resonates with you. Okay, so but I suggest that don't go by signs because it is general reading. Concentrate on the content and messages. Okay, so this person is very attractive. Your future spouse will be very young, attractive, very magnetic power he or she will have. That means they attract everybody towards them. And for some of you, they might be little bit very friendly to everybody. So sometimes you might misunderstand them that they are a flirt or something like that. But they will be very, very jovial and very friendly with everybody. They will have lot of friends, I can see that. So this person might be very passionate towards you. When they come towards you, they will definitely get attracted towards you and they will come towards you. Okay, and they will first they will only take initiative. They will take a step forward and they will pass on some information about them, what are their feelings, and they will be searching for their soulmate actually. So they will be manifesting their soulmate, even though they have lot of friends, but they are not interested to anybody, but they want to marry their soulmate only. So they have this soulmate kind of feeling when they meet you. So what I can see is you might meet them in some kind of a fair. What I am getting is maybe you are going to some market or fair or sapta, whatever the flea market, somewhere like that you will meet this person. So this person will see you and the first glance itself they'll be very, very attracted towards you. Then after that they will start following you, or you can meet them in the marriage also, or any party in relatives house or friends house. So you can meet them there also. So they see, I can see king and queen here. So definitely you both are destined together. So I feel that some of them, some very few of you who are watching, they are single mother. Okay, so they are like kind of a very young age they got divorced or they got widowed, so they became widow. So they are a single mother, they might have children also, but they are very like depressed, I can say, or sad, I can say. Not depressed actually, but you are sad, like why at this age, at the young age, why I have become like that. So you might be thinking, what is this, what is my future? So you will be thinking like that. At that time this person will enter into your life. This person might be little bit younger to you, not for everybody, but very few of you, whoever the viewer is like single mom, for them I'm saying the person might be 1 year or 2 years younger to you. Okay, but many of you, whoever is single and they are watching this reading for their future spouse, definitely they will have a very charming, good looking, handsome person if you are looking for a husband. Okay, so this person will be very very determined, and they will be looking at you all the time, like even after marriage also they can't take off their eyes from you. So you are so much attractive, even though they are very attractive and they are very handsome, but they will have an eye on you. Every time they will see you, they find something very interesting in you. That means very physically attracted towards you. That's what I can see. At the same time, this person will be, they are not very tall, I can say. They might be 5'6" or 5'8", the height, and they will be having lot of responsibilities, I can see. So maybe they are handling a very responsible role in their career, or they might be elder son in the family. But I can see 10 of wands means they have lot of responsibilities, and they will be at the time sorry friends. So at the time they meet you, they might be little bit not interested in anything or anybody like that. They are like they are busy in their own world. They will be busy in their own responsibilities. But when they saw you, they feel like, okay, I have to think about myself also, because the attraction is so high, so that they can't avoid you or they can't ignore you. Okay, that's what I can feel here. So definitely they will only propose you, as I said, and the proposal will be very very slow, because first they want to understand you. They want to see whether you will be well adjusted in their family, in their circumstances, because they have lot of responsibility. Maybe it is social or personal responsibilities, but definitely they will be keeping an eye on you. They will be giving you an offer. First they will give you a gift, then slowly they will be your friend, then they will propose you. Okay, they will only move forward and take a step. But definitely this person will be very very defensive. They are little stubborn also. They don't want to uh, lower down their status or their level for you. Okay, so they will be very reserved and dignified when they propose you. So they feel that you are their wish fulfillment, and they will be ready to marry you, eligible bachelor. They have everything. They have money, they have everything ready for the marriage. They are well settled, I can say. This person is well settled when they meet you, when they marry you. Okay, and also they will be definitely the messages, information passing, I'm getting more the messages like that. That means definitely this person will send a message through somebody. Maybe this person is already in your friend circle, or maybe your friend's friend, this person. So definitely this person will be sending a messages through somebody. That can be your relative also, or that can be your mutual friend also. So what will be your situation? So you will be feeling like you don't know what are their intentions, and you will be little bit confused also. Why this person is showing lot of interest in me? Because directly they won't propose you for marriage. So they will be a lot of very curious to know about you. That's what I can feel. And definitely they will be waiting for the right time to approach you, right time to propose you, right time for the marriage, because they will take some time because of their all the responsibilities and all. So that time definitely they will come to you. Okay, the alphabets I can see is B, X, O, M, H, then S I can see. I can see D, R. Okay, so these are all the alphabets I can see here. So definitely this person might be any their first name, middle name or last name will start with these alphabets. Okay, so let us pull one summation card, like approximately when your marriage will happen. Sorry. Okay, one card flew away already. Let us see what is that. Okay, so star card. Definitely it's a yes card. If you are asking about will I marry him or her? If you are already having a person in your mind, the answer is yes. Okay, so definitely it will take some time, as I told you already. Maybe you both will get into the love faster, but it will take more than 1 year for this marriage to happen. But in between you might date this person, you both might try to understand each other. Okay, so definitely this person will not propose immediately, instantly, so they will take their own time. So you know this person already, it will be it can be definitely love marriage. I don't see any arranged marriage here. It will happen through friends or relatives. Middle one person will be there communicating with you and them. In between one person will be there. So this will be kind of a very grand marriage, grand celebration. There will be lot of hope in this connection to come to fruition, and your married life will be very very bright and shining, and everybody will be looking at you like you are the very best match or very good couple they will see. Okay, so I can also see your connection will be very very passionate, because wands card is there, king of wands and page of wands. Definitely your marriage will be like the connection will be very very passionate. So you both will be attracted towards each other physically also. You won't take off your eyes from each other. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Pile number one, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this purple seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see who will you marry or who is your future spouse. Let us pull one guidance card first. Then later we will see other cards, tarot cards, and we will ask spirits and angels who will be your future spouse or who will you marry. Archangel Michael, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Okay, I have a card here. Angelite. Are you receiving intuitive messages? Do you wish to be more intuitive? Quiet your mind. Accept communications from angels and spirit guides. True communication includes listening, speaking, and observing. Notice messages from nature and your surroundings. Okay, this is very clear message. If you want to be intuitive, you have to observe yourself. Angel of communication. I send and receive messages with ease and grace. Guidance and inspiration from my angels and other spirit guides come to me moment by moment. I interpret the messages I receive and apply them into my life with wisdom. If you want, you can take a screenshot also. These are the affirmations so that you can read every day for the clarity and for the guidance. So let us pull some more cards. Who will you marry or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry or who is your future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Please give us some guidance and clarity. The Fool. Eight of Wands. The Devil. Page of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck we have Page of Cups. So let me pull some more cards for you. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Ten of Cups, very nice. The Empress. Pope. Alchemist. Then bottom of the deck we have Apprentice. Okay, I can see a lot of communication here. First, let me tell the signs. Okay, so the signs I can see here are Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius is very strong. Then Capricorn is very strong. And Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, very few of you will have Aries. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also. Or fixed signs are there, Taurus, Leo, Aquarius and Scorpio. So if you know the person already, you can take it however it resonates with you. Whoever don't know their future spouse, they can wait and watch. Okay, so a lot of communications from this person. I think that you know this person already. This will be a love marriage, and you are manifesting this person or they are manifesting you. There is some manifestation here, and also this relationship, whatever the relationship you will have with the person, with your husband or future wife, it will be very very stable. Okay, you will not have any problems or any trust issues. Okay, so you both will be definitely in a deep connection, deep love, or addicted to each other, obsessive about each other. You cannot stay without each other. For some of you, you might have the physical connection also before the marriage. Okay, but please don't take me wrong, because the devil is there. So a lot of sexual attraction. So before the marriage itself, some people, okay, not everybody, some of you might become pregnant before the marriage. Okay, so because Empress card is also there, so you have to be little careful when you are dealing with this person, because this person will be very very attractive, romantic. They will be reading your mind without you saying anything. This person will tell you what you are thinking, what you want. For example, suppose if you are getting down from the car, they will open the door. If you are going to a restaurant, they will pull a chair for you. So that kind of a very decent person, I can say. So this person will start the relationship with some gift. Okay, so definitely they want to communicate with you more, maybe some so many messages, or like phone calls will be there before marriage. You both will be dating for a long time, then you will get married and you will take a risk or leap of faith in this connection. Okay, so that is the reason I said that this might be a love marriage. So definitely this person might have started something new, learning something new, learning some new skill. So they might be starting a new venture. Maybe he or she is an entrepreneur. So they will be very busy all the time. They are very creative also. Alchemist is there. They will be very very creative also, whatever they are doing, and they might be very interested in reading books and acquire lot of knowledge. There will be lot of knowledge seeker, I can say. They will be involved in the books every time. So sometimes you might say leave the book and talk to me. So that much addicted towards the books, reading, knowledge and all. Okay, so 10 of cups is there. Definitely you both are made for each other. It will be a very, it is a marriage card. Obviously we are looking for the marriage only, this reading also. So definitely this person will be a right match for you, and you both will have a lot of abundance in your life. Either you will be pregnant before the marriage itself, or immediately after marriage within 1 month you will become pregnant. I mean 1 or 2 months you will become pregnant. So you should be little careful about that. You will have two children, what I can see here, and you will be enjoying your life very much. You will be fulfilled. You will be contented, like you will be traveling, you will be going to beaches, lot of water I can see, lot of emotions, lot of feelings towards each other. You will be expressing each other's feelings. Then it will be very very romantic connection, what I can see here. Okay, at the same time this person will be giving you lot of gifts. Like they will always they will surprise you with the gifts. Okay, so they want to make you happy. First of all, I can say they want to make you happy, and this person will be well respected in the society. And for very few of you, this person might be divorced. Okay, you or this person, they might be divorced already. For some of you, not everybody. Okay, so Pope is there, the swords energy is there. So this person might be little short tempered also, or little bit angry also. Sometimes they will be very stubborn also. They want to make it happen in their own way also. Okay, so or one of you might be single mother also. Okay, so because Empress is there, the lot of abundance. At the same time you can see the pregnant lady here. So it can be please take whatever it resonates. If the viewer whoever it is, if they are single mom or single dad, this person might be a divorced person already, but they won't have any children and all. So they want to have children with you. Okay, they want to have two children with you, and they love you so much. That is what I can say. Whatever the hurdles or problems you faced in your life, this person will erase everything from your mind. Okay, because they will be very very addicted towards you. They won't leave you for a minute also, and they won't give you time to think about your past or your past problems. So all the time they will try to protect you. They will be in the young energy, I can say, around you. They will be like young energy it is. So always they will be like college romance, that kind of a feeling. So they'll be giving lot of gifts and all. They will be proposing you in different ways. They might take you for dinner, lunch and all, candlelight dinners. They will make you happy. Basically they want to make you happy. Okay, that's what I can see. This person will be a little bit tall, like 5'10" or 6. This person will be fair in complexion, and for some of you this person might be dark also, darker complexion, because devil card represents the person will be little darker side, and very masculine, and very well built, strong person. Okay, but definitely they will take care of you very well, and you are also not less than them. You are also very abundant, beautiful. Whatever you want you can get in your life. That much capable person you are. My viewers are also very very beautiful or handsome. Okay, so definitely this match will be made for each other. 10 of cups is there, so it will be very beautiful marriage and beautiful couple you both will be. So let us pull one card of summation, and I forgot to tell you the initials of your person. What I can see is I can see V, X, S, then M, then H, O, or F. Okay, so these are all the alphabet. These are all the letters I can see. V also. This can be their first name, middle name, or last name. So please take it however it resonates with you. Okay, so let us pull one card of summation so that you will get the clarity, or you might get the time period also when you will get married. Let us see. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity, and one card of summation, please. What you want to give the message to my viewers. One card of summation, please. Okay, the High Priestess. So definitely you have to come into your power before getting the marriage, before getting married, and it will happen in the right time. And devil is there, so devil, you can see the High Priestess, and killing the devil you can see here. So that means you have to kill all the negativity in you, then only you will manifest this person in your life. Because even the devil card says that addictions, so maybe you have some addictive behavior, or you might be having a problem of negative thinking, doubting others, trust issues. So universe is telling that you have to come into your power. You have to use your intuition first of all. So when you meet this person, what your gut feeling says, you have to believe in it, and you have to trust your gut instinct. So this will take for some of you it might take in 2 months, not marriage but meeting this person. Okay, then definitely what I can see, for some of you it can be 2 years also, or in the month of February, maybe Valentine's Day, this person might come in touch with you, come in contact with you, and they start communicating. As what I can feel is, this person already, and you will be taking a risk in this connection. So this person might contact you in the month of February. After that you may date for some time, and marriage might happen. So maybe 2 years this might take place. Okay, but for some of you it might happen, it might be little early also, in 2 months after you meet this person. Okay, so that's all I can say. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow seashell, this reading is for you. Let us see who will you marry, or who is your future spouse. First we will pull the angel guidance card. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry, or who is their future spouse? Please give us some guidance and clarity. who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Okay, I got this card. Zoisite with Ruby. Do you joyously give but are unable to receive? It's time to receive with grace. It is safe to allow others to do nice things for you and shower you with gifts. Permit blessings and love to pour into your open, receptive heart. These are the affirmations. If you want, you can take a screenshot also. Angel of receiving. I am willing to receive love. The door to my heart is open, allowing blessings to flow into my life. I accept gifts, love, and attention with ease and grace. I am grateful for all that is bestowed upon me. So, what they want to say, angels, that you should be open to receive, okay, without any doubt, without any trust issues. Okay, so let me pull some cards for you. Who will you marry or who is your future spouse? Who will you marry or who is your future spouse? Cards are jumping. They want to say something to you. So let us see. Okay, already we have one card here. That is the Fool again. Then 10 of Wands. Even the pile 2 also, they got the Fool card first. If you want, you can see that reading also. Queen of Swords, King of Wands. Then bottom of the deck we have Ace of Pentacles. Let me pull some more cards. Who will you marry or who is your future spouse? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Who will they marry or who is their future spouse? Whoever chose pile 3, yellow seashell. Death. Ace of Swords. Prophetess. Temperance. And bottom of the deck we have Justice. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you the signs here. I can see Libra here very prominent. Then Sagittarius. And I can see wands like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries is very prominent here. I can also see very few of you will have Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also very few of you. And fixed signs Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius. These are the signs. Actually it's general reading, so all signs are there. So if you know this person already, please take it however it resonates. So what I can feel here is you know this person already and this connection is dead. Already death happened in this connection and it will give a rebirth again. So you know this person already, you had a cycle with this person, something is ended, then again it will start with Ace of Swords. Okay, so there will be a clear communication, there will be a small fight also with this person. They will cut everything, they will be very straightforward, then they will come and approach you with their offer of love. Okay, so some of you, I can see you or your person is single mom, or you will be in definitely in your power when you meet this person. That means you will be very confident, stubborn, and you will be doing very good in your life that time. Maybe you are very happy with your life right now, or when you meet this person. So you might be having a good job, then financial security, then you might be having everything in your hand, and you will be completely fulfilled with your life. Then that time this person will enter in your life. So as I told you, any one of you will be single mom or a single dad. So this person has a lot of passion towards you. That's why they couldn't forget you, and they are coming back for you. Okay, so first why they left you? Because they had a lot of responsibilities in their life. So they want to fulfill their responsibilities. That is the reason they walked away from this connection. So maybe for some of you this person broke up with you, for some of you this person already divorced you, or the same person will be coming back to you. This person might be your ex also, sorry to say. Many of you will say that no, I don't want my ex back, I want new person only. But as per this spread, as per this reading, what I can see is your past will come back. That means your ex will come back into your life again. Okay, so that time you will be in a, as I told already, you will be very very abundant. Okay, so you will have lot of maturity in your life. So you are not like a childish person. You will be very matured. You will understand whatever happened in the past. You have accepted it and you moved on. So you are not crying for this person. You are not sad for this person. You have accepted as it is. This is a destined thing to happen. This is a divine decision, so you cannot change it. So that time you will be feeling like that, and you have accepted your life, and you were like moving on, you will be moving on. So that time this person will come back to you with a passionate intention. So they will be very romantic when they come to you. First of all, they will come with a stable offer. They might give you a gift also, or they might give you a job offer or business opportunity. So actually what I feel is this person want to work with you. So earlier they have noticed your strength, they have noticed your power and capability. So they feel that you are the very right person with whom they can do partnership, and they can, you both can grow together. That's what they are feeling. But they need the balance in this connection, because maybe one person is giving more and your one person is giving less. So they want to have balance in this connection, or I can see lot of fights, disagreements, so that they want to end it. They don't want to fight actually. They want to come back into your life with peace, with harmony. Okay, justice card says this person is already divorced you, or they are like married person already, they are going through a divorce. Okay, that is also possible. Or they will be going through a legal battle. Maybe they are into some legal battle, or some police case. So that time they will meet you. That time they will realize that how capable you are. When you are there with them, nothing can happen. So that much they trust you. They feel that you are a stable person, you are a trustworthy person, you are a very powerful person. When you are there in their life, nothing can happen to them. Okay, that's what they feel. And there is an age gap, I can see. There will be some 5 years age gap, I can see. 3 to 5 years age gap. Maybe whoever is elder, I feel that the female here in this connection might be little bit elder to this person, or maturity wise female will be very matured in this connection. The other person will be little bit immature or childish, or little younger energy, I can see. Okay, so you both will be taking a risk in this connection again. You know what happened in the past, so now you don't want to repeat that again. You will be taking a risk. You want to share the responsibilities with each other. Maybe some of you will have a child also with this person, so you will be sharing the responsibility. Whatever is dead in the past, it will rebirth again. It will take a rebirth. And definitely the female in this connection is very very strong, very much abundant, I can see. So that is the reason this person is attracted towards you. Okay, so the initials or letters what I can see here are I can see O, X, S, then D, M, H, L, yeah, then I can say J also. Okay, then G. So please take, if you know this person already, please take it however it resonates with you. So they feel that you are the very lucky charm for them. That is the reason they are coming back to you. And they might say sorry also, they might say apology also, and they need your forgiveness. They will definitely confess their love, they will clear all the misunderstandings whatever is there between you, then they will approach you. Definitely you both will be very stable in this connection. That's what I can see. Let us pull one card of summation. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give one card of summation. What you want to say about the timings, or whatever you want to say, please give us the message through one card, spirits and angels. Okay, the sun. Wow, very nice. I no need to say anything here. So definitely you both will be very, very happy, and you will be very successful in your career, personal life. You both will be like sunshine to each other. As I told you already, you might have son with this person, a child with this person, then you will be reconciling with this person, and it might take around more than a year to everything will to stabilize everything. It might take more than a year, or in the month of October you both might reconcile again. Then you can start a new beginning in this connection without any BS. Okay, then definitely you will be very, very happy in this connection. Your married life will be very bright and shine. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.